Hi, I just contacted Jade to say that she's won the raffle, and she said she is so honored and she's so happy, and she would like to re-gift it to us to do another draw as Millie, her dog, her little doggy, said that she would like her to redraw. She did. So, in any case, we are going to do a new draw. So let's go. Okay. We are shaking the box, and Zerkia is going to do the draw for us. So it's a good shake. Can you see? We're shaking it good. And there we go.
Number 61.
Number 61. Number 61. Daar sy nummer 61, number 61. And number 61 is Suzette Meyer. Congratulations, baie geluk Suzette. Jy is die wenner van die Petcare hamper.